DJI is quietly preparing its next move, and if the recent leaks are accurate, the sub-250-gram drone market is about to get very interesting. Two new names have appeared where it matters most: DJI Lito 1 and DJI Lito X1. They didn't arrive with flashy teasers or launch events. Instead, they surfaced through FCC filings, the same path many major DJI products have taken just before becoming official. That alone tells us something important. These drones are not just rumors anymore, they're coming. More importantly, they represent something bigger than a simple hardware update. DJI doesn't appear to be tweaking specs for the sake of it. Instead, the company seems to be reshaping its entire entry-level and creator-focused drone lineup. The DJI Lito 1 is expected to act as the spiritual successor to the 2024 DJI Mini 4K, but not in a straightforward Mini 5 kind of way. DJI has a long history of refreshing beginner drones quietly, often without continuing the same naming structure. Rather than a direct replacement, the Lito 1 looks like a platform refresh. The focus here isn't professional innovation, it's refinement. Everything about the Lito 1 points towards simplicity, reliability, and accessibility. This is a drone built for first-time pilots, casual users, and anyone who wants a stress-free flying experience without dealing with complex menus or advanced manual controls. By placing the Lito 1 in the same general space as the Mini 4K, DJI keeps its entry-level audience intact while modernizing what's under the hood. The name may be new, but the role is familiar: a lightweight, approachable drone designed to make flying easy, safe, and enjoyable. The more intriguing story, however, is the DJI Lito X1. This model sits higher in the lineup and begins to overlap territory traditionally dominated by the Mini Pro series. But according to current leaks, the Lito X1 is not meant to replace the Mini Pro line. Instead, it appears designed to exist alongside it, and that distinction is critical. DJI seems to be creating two parallel paths for advanced users. The Mini Pro remains the safe, established premium option. The Lito X1 becomes the experimental playground. This strategy gives DJI tremendous flexibility. The Mini Pro series can continue evolving in predictable, conservative ways, while the Lito X1 can push boundaries without risking DJI's core reputation. For some creators, the Lito X1 could effectively replace a Mini Pro, especially for those who care more about imaging innovation, automation, and smart features than traditional Pro checklists. Others will still gravitate toward the Mini Pro as the more familiar and proven option. FCC filings support this dual-track strategy. The DJI Lito X1 appeared in FCC listings as early as November 2025, with the DJI Lito 1 following in mid-December 2025. DJI doesn't file products that aren't headed for release. These filings confirm that both drones are actively in development and moving steadily toward launch. Where things get truly exciting is the speculative feature list surrounding the Lito X1. While nothing is officially confirmed, leaks suggest DJI may be pushing the limits of what's possible in the sub-250-gram category. Rumored features include full 360-degree obstacle avoidance using fisheye optics, LiDAR-like sensors with an estimated 10-meter range, infrared altitude sensing, and DJI's O5 transmission system with a claimed range of over 20 kilometers. There are also whispers of autonomous flight modes, voice commands such as "Hey Fly," motion-based control, and even a front-facing display with LED indicators. Flight time rumors are just as bold. Around 30 minutes while staying under 250 grams, and close to 50 minutes with a heavier Plus battery. Internal storage is rumored to reach approximately 42 gigabytes, along with a micro SD card slot for expansion. If even part of this proves accurate, the Lito X1 wouldn't just compete with Mini Pro drones, it would redefine expectations for lightweight drones altogether. For now, all specifications remain unconfirmed. But one thing is clear: DJI is experimenting again. And historically, that's when the company delivers its most interesting products. As official details emerge, the DJI Lito 1 and DJI Lito X1 may mark the beginning of a new chapter in DJI's drone strategy.